Early on in the dot-com days, established brands realized the potential of e-commerce. At the time, large enterprise commerce systems were the only solutions available, so big brands relied on them. These solutions helped businesses achieve an online commerce presence, but didn't help stand out in the crowd and were a pain to manage. Over the years, they struggled to make legacy software work for them. It took them months to release features. They could not take advantage of new channels, and all the stress burnt out their employees and affected their customer experience. On top of all that, the software was purchased on expensive, long-term contracts. This is until leading experts in the cloud and commerce technology space teamed up with experts in developing digital buying experiences. They joined forces to create a commerce accelerator where companies could streamline their development efforts and operate like digital natives. They could focus on differentiating their digital customer experience and proprietary business value, rather than dealing with other headaches. Because of that, companies could pivot into new offerings and business models. They could create new B2X offerings and diversify their revenue streams. They could also release features quickly that delighted their customers, and their employees rediscovered the joy in their work with a new ability to drive innovation. Until finally, established companies started operating like digital natives, achieving speed and efficiency they never imagined. And ever since then, they moved at pace to fend off competition and find new areas of growth for their businesses to flourish. Are you ready to take enterprise commerce to the next level? We are here to make it happen.